Hello guys, today I want to teach you how to create a YouTube thumbnail for Warzone. This is for beginners and it's going to be very simple and easy, and I'm going to explain everything you need to do. So first things first, you'll need to open a blank white page like I have here. All you have to do is go to File, New. Now here, Custom, you'll create 1920 with height 1080, resolution 300. And the color should be white. You can pause the video and take everything you need, then just hit create. Next, what you want to do is basically cut a picture, or you can just work on the white canvas. I like to cut something from a different picture. I already dragged it from the desktop here, and now all we have to do is cut out this character, and I'm gonna show you how very easily. You have here the brush, and you have plus and minus. Basically, you can also change the size of it. Let's use 14 for example, and you just start clicking. This is the easiest one to do. Start clicking, go around it. Now see, I'm just cutting off the character from here with the bag and everything. Go. Now to fix small stuff like this, you just select the minus one and you start basically on the edges, and you do this. Now I'm not gonna start and do it perfectly. This is just for you so you can understand how this works. Okay, let me do this here and a bit on this side. Okay, this is it. Next thing you want to do is right click, layer via copy, and now you'll have on the right hand side the new layer. Basically you have here just the new character that you just selected. To put this character on the white canvas, just drag this. Basically what you want to do now to put the character on the white canvas is just drag it, put it on top of the white canvas, click X. No, you don't want to save it. And now to move it from here, just click the arrows and you can move it whatever you want, however you want. Let's put it like this. And now let's say you want to make it a bit shorter, a bit smaller. All you have to do is click edit, transform, scale. This will pop up. Just minimize it, enlarge it, what you want to do. And let's place it, let's say here. Next, what you want to do is, let's say you want to put the Call of Duty logo. You can find it easily on Google. Just search it, just drag and drop from the desktop, and you can easily minimize it. It will pop up instantly, so you can minimize it. Just place it whatever you want. I'm gonna place it right here in the top corner. After you're okay with your decision, just click OK. This will happen, it will stay there. Next, let's say you want to add some text. All you have to do is click on the T on the left hand side. Do this, so you can select an area where you can write something. And let's say you want to change the color. Click here. I chose already green, so it's gonna be okay, like you can actually see it. And let's say thumbnail for Warzone. Easy and simple. You can here change your format. To do that, either change it before you start typing or just select everything, change it to 16, let's say, and click, and it's okay. You can also change this here again, either before or select everything and change it. Now for the last part, let's pretend you want to add a background, obviously, because just leaving it like white is not okay, or it's not really practical. What you want to do now is drag and drop again from the desktop a picture, and again you can change it however you want. You're just gonna let it full screen so it can cover everything. Hit OK, and now you're basically asking, I can only see the picture. Well, all you have to do is just take it from the right hand side, drop it underneath layer 1, and voila, you can easily see it. Okay, now what I like to do for my background is blur the background. You can obviously leave it as it is. It's okay, no problem. I'm just giving you an example. What I do is blur. You go on filter, blur, and the best one here is Gaussian blur. See, already changed because I have a preset it at 4.4, but you can change it how you want. See, it's changing on the background as well. Just go for like not very blurred, but blurred, you know what I mean, so you can see something in the background but not actually. Also, what you can do with the background, basically just select the background here, go to image to layer, new fill layer, solid color, and here click OK. And since it's green and the writing is green, it's not gonna work obviously. Just go to like orange, let's say, or like, yeah, something like this. Hit OK, and you'll have yourself a thumbnail. You can obviously put something like the YouTube logo. I just place it here. Or you can put another character. You can put a gun, just a gun, you know, and say, I don't know, new meta, new something like this. Again, very simple. This is just for beginners. Obviously, the more you will practice it, the more you'll try and learn new things to improve yourself doing thumbnails. I hope you liked it. Follow, subscribe, like, whatever you want. See you next time.